Om Shanti, 25th August 2020. On this day, sweetest beloved Prakashman Dadiji had left her mortal coil. She was the power of purity, jewels of light. Dadiji's nature was very sweetest, tolerating and cooperative. She was always saying that no one is a stranger. We all are children of one Father. So, from the Sadhana Mohan and Godly family, we are all tribute to former head of Brahma Kumaris, Prakashman Dadiji, on her death. Let us listen and innate godly versions. Morning Murli, Essence. Sweet children, never become tired and leave the pilgrimage of remembrance. Constantly make effort to remain soul conscious in order to become sweet and attract the Father's love. Stay in remembrance. We should not tire on the remembrance of Shiv Baba. Question of the day. What effort must you definitely make in order to become 16 celestial degrees full and perfect? What effort must you definitely make in order to become 16 celestial degrees full and perfect? The answer is, consider yourself to be a soul as much as possible. This is the only one way. What is Baba saying? Consider yourself to be a soul as much as possible and remember the Father, the ocean of love, and you will become perfect. Knowledge is very easy, but in order to become 16 celestial degrees full, you must first have remembrance to make yourself a soul perfect. By considering yourself to be a soul, you will become sweet. All conflict will come to an end. Song. You are the ocean of love. We thirst for one drop. Om Shanti. The ocean of love makes his children into ocean of love too. Baba is ocean of love. So, we should also become master ocean of love. The aim and objective of you children is to become like Lakshmi and Narayan. Everyone loves them so much. You children know that Baba is making you as sweet as they are. It's here that you become sweet. However, it is only by having remembrance that you will become that. The yoke of Bharat has been remembered. This is remembrance. It's through this remembrance that you become the masters of the world like them. This is the effort that you children have to make. Don't be arrogant by thinking that you have so much knowledge. The main thing is remembrance. It's remembrance that brings you love. If you want to become very sweet and lovely and also claim a high status, then make effort. Without making any effort, we will not get anything. Otherwise, there will be great repentance. There are many children who are unable to stay in remembrance because they become tired. They stop having remembrance. First of all, make a lot of effort to become soul conscious. Otherwise, the status you receive will be very low. You will never become as sweet again. Very few children attract a lot of love by staying in remembrance. There must be remembrance of the Father alone. The more you remember Him, the sweeter you will become. Lakshmi and Narayan remembered God a great deal in their previous birth. That means Brahma Baba and Saraswati. It was having this remembrance that they become so sweet. The Sun dynasty of the Golden Age is the first number and the Moon dynasty is the second number. Lakshmi and Narayan are loved very much. There is a great deal of difference between features of Lakshmi and Narayan and those of Ram and Sita. Lakshmi and Narayan have never been defamed by anyone. Krishna was defamed by mistake. Ram and Sita also have been defamed. The father says, you will become very sweet when you consider yourself to be souls. One experiences great pleasure in considering oneself to be a soul and in remembering the Father. The more you remember Him, the more Satopradhan you will become. You will become 16 celestial degrees full. To be 14 celestial degrees is still classified as defective. Then there continue to be more defects. You have to become 16 celestial degrees, that means full and perfect. Knowledge is very easy. Anyone can learn it. You have been taking 84 births every cycle. None of you can return home until you become completely pure. Otherwise, punishment has to be experienced. Baba explains to you again and again, as much as possible, make this one point firm. I am a soul. When I, a soul, reside in my home, I am Sato Pradhan. Then I come here and take birth. Some take a certain number of births and others take a different number of births. By the end, all souls become Tamo Pradhan. The honor of the world continues to decrease. When a house is new, there is so much comfort experienced in it. Then it becomes defective. The degrees continue to decrease. If your children want to go to the perfect world, you have to become perfect. Simply having knowledge does not mean being perfect. Your soul have to become perfect as much as possible. Consider yourself to be soul, the children of Baba. You should experience great eternal happiness. Human beings become happy considering themselves to be bodily beings. I am a child of so and so. That intoxication is temporary. You children now have to connect your intellects in yoga to the Father completely. You must not become confused in this. Even if you have to go abroad somewhere, simply make one point firm. I have to remember Baba. Baba is the ocean of love. That means my Soman should be, I am also master of ocean of love. Baba is saying that this praise doesn't belong to any human being. Souls praise their Father. All souls are brothers. The Father of all souls is one. The Father tells everyone, children, you were Sato Pradhan and you have now become Tamo Pradhan. By becoming Tamo Pradhan, you have become unhappy. Now, the Supreme Father, the Supreme Soul, tell us, souls, at first you were perfect. You souls All souls are perfect when they are there. There means in Satyug. Although they are playing very different parts, they are still perfect. No one can return there without having purity. You have a peace as well as happiness in the land of happiness. That is why your religion is the highest on high. You have limitless happiness. Just think about what you are becoming. Just think about what you are becoming. You are becoming the masters of heaven. The birth is as valuable as a diamond. Birth now is like a ship. The Father now signals to you to stay in remembrance. You called out to Him, "Come and make us impure once pure." In the golden age, they are completely voiceless. Ram and Sita are not called complete because they have a 14 celestial degrees. They went into the second grade. 2% are down. They didn't pass in the subject of the pilgrimage of remembrance. No matter how clever you may be in knowledge, the Father would not find you sweet with just that. It is only when you stay in remembrance that you become sweet. You will then also find the Father to be very sweet. This study is very common. Become pure and stay in remembrance. Note this down very carefully. When you stay on the pilgrimage of remembrance, all the conflict that takes place and the arrogance that develops will stop happening. The main thing is to consider yourselves to be souls and to remember the Father. People in the world fight and quarrel so much. They make their lives like poison. This word does not exist in the golden age. As you make further progress, the lives of human beings will become even more poisonous. This is the ocean of poison. Everyone is lying in the extreme depths of hell. There is a lot of dirty behavior. It continues to increase day by day. This is called the dirty world. As you can see that Baba is saying, they continue to make one another unhappy because they are the evil spirits of body, conscience and lust. The Father says, chase away those evil spirits. It is those evil spirits that make you ugly. It is when you have become ugly by sitting on the pyre of lust that the Father comes and says, I have come once again to rain the nectar of knowledge. What are you becoming now? The palaces, they will be studded with diamonds. There will be all types of comforts there. Here, everything is adulterated. Look at what they feed cows. All the goodness and strength is taken out and they are just given hay. This is example. Cows don't even receive even food. Compare that to the cow shown with Krishna. They are seen as a first class cows. In the golden age, the cows are such, don't even ask. Even just seeing them makes you feel so happy. Here, all the essence is taken out of everything. This is a very dirty world. You must not attach your heart to it. The Father says, you have become so vicious. Look how they continue to kill one another in war. Those who invented the atomic bomb were given so much respect. Those are the things that are going to destroy everything. The Father sits here and explains to you what the human beings of today are like and what the human beings of tomorrow will be like. You are now in between. Good company takes you across and bad company drowns you. You hold on to the Father's hand in order to become the most elevated human beings. When someone is learning to swim, he has to hold the hand of the person teaching him. Otherwise, he would choke. Here, too, you have to hold Baba's hand. Otherwise, Maya will pull you down. You are making the whole world into heaven. You should bring yourself to a state of intoxication. We are establishing our own kingdom by following Srimad. All human beings make donations. They give money to the fakirs. They have even donated something to pandits on their pilgrimage. They would definitely donate something, even if only a handful of rice. All of that has continued on the path of devotion. The Father is now making us into double donors. The Father says, open a godly university and hospital on 3 square feet of land to which human beings can come and be cured for 21 births. Look at all the different types of illness that exist now. Sometimes there is such a bad odor when someone is ill that you feel distaste. When you enter the hospital, the suffering of karma is so severe. The Father says, in order to become free from all of this sorrow, simply remember me. I don't give you any other difficulty. Baba knows that your children have faced many difficulties. The faces of vicious human beings completely change. They become like those of a corpse. They are just like an alcoholic who cannot stay without drinking alcohol. He becomes very intoxicated with alcohol, but that only lasts for a short time. It is through vice that the lifespan of vicious human being has become so short. The lifespan of the vicious, viceless deities was on average 125 to 150 years. When you become ever healthy, your lifespan would also increase. Would it not? You then have body that are free from disease. The Father is also called the eternal surgeon. When the Sadguru gives the ointments of knowledge, the darkness of ignorance is dispelled. It is because they don't know the Father that they say there is the darkness of ignorance. This applies to the people of Bharat. They know that Christ existed as such and such a time. They have a whole list of all those dates. They show how the Pope sat on the throne number-wise. It is only Bharat that doesn't know the biography of anyone. They call out, O Supreme Soul, O Remover of Sorrow and Bestower of Happiness, O Mother and Father. Acha, tell us the biography of the mother and father. They don't know anything at all. You know that this is the most elevated confluence age. We are now becoming the most elevated human beings. Therefore, we should study fully. Many people are so trapped in the opinions of society. This Baba was not concerned about anything. He was insulted so much, he never thought or dreamed about any of this. However, whilst walking along the path, the Brahmin came trapped. It was when Baba made him into a Brahmin that he began to be insulted. The whole of the local council was on one side and Dada was on the other side. talking about Brahma Baba. Baba is saying that, what are you doing? The whole Sindhi council asked him, what are you doing? In the Gita, the versions of God Shiva says, lust is the greatest enemy. By conquering this, you become a master of the world. This expression is in the Gita. Someone is making me say, by conquering the vice of lust, you become a conqueror of the world. Lakshmi and Narayan also conquered this. There is no question of a war in this. I have come to give you the kingdom of heaven. Now become pure and remember the Father. When a wife says that she will become pure, but the husband says that he will not become pure, then one is a swan and the other is toad. The Father comes to make you into swans who select the jewels of knowledge. However, there is a quarreling when one becomes pure and the other one doesn't. In the beginning, they had a lot of strength. No one now has that much courage. They say that they are heroes, but to become an hero is a completely different matter. In the beginning, it was their wonder. Those from grand homes instantly renounced everything and came in order to claim their inheritance. Therefore, they become worthy. Those who came at the beginning performed great wonders. Scarcely anyone like them emerges now. They are very much concerned about the opinion of society. Those who came in the beginning showed a lot of courage. Hardly anyone now has that much courage. Yes, the poor have that courage. In order to become a bead of the rosary, you do have to make effort. The rosary is very long. There is the rosary of 8 and also of 108, and then there is also a rosary of 16,108. The Father himself says, make plenty of effort, consider yourselves to be souls. Some don't tell the truth. Even those who consider themselves to be very good commit sins, although they may be knowledgeable souls and they can explain knowledge very well. They don't have any you, therefore they can't sit in Baba's heart. If they don't stay in remembrance, they don't climb onto Baba's heart throne. Remembrance beget remembrance. Those at the beginning instantly surrendered themselves. To surrender yourself is not like going to your auntie's home. What is Baba saying? To surrender yourself is not like going to your auntie's home. The main thing is remembrance, for only then your mercury of happiness rise. As your degrees have continued to decrease, so your sorrow has continued to increase. Now, the more your degrees increase, the higher the mercury of your happiness will rise. At the end, you will have visions of everything. You will see what status those who had a lot of remembrance will receive. You will have many visions at the very end. While destruction is taking place, you will be eating the halwa of having visions of heaven. Baba explains to you again and again, increase your remembrance. Baba does not become pleased by you just explaining a little knowledge to someone. There is the story of a Pandit who said, chant the name of Ram and you will be able to go across the river. This means that there is victory by having faith. When you have a doubt in the Father, you are led to destruction. Your sins are absorbed by having remembrance of the Father. Day and night make effort. Then the mischiefs of the physical senses will stop. This requires a lot of effort. There are many who have no chart of remembrance. They have no deep foundation. Stay in remembrance under all circumstances as much as possible. For only then you will become Sato Pradhan, 16 celestial degrees full. Together with purity, there also has to be the pilgrimage of remembrance. It is only when you remain pure that you will be able to stay in remembrance. It is only when you remain pure. Baba is saying, imbibe this point very well. The Father is so egoless as you make progress. Everyone will bow down at your feet. They will say, truly, these mothers are opening the gates to heaven. There is still very little power of remembrance. Don't remember bodily beings. It does require a lot of effort to become Sato Pradhan from Tamo Pradhan. Acha. To the sweetest, beloved, long lost, and now found children, love, remembrance, and good morning from the mother, the father, and Bap Dada. The spiritual father says Namaste to the spiritual children. The spiritual children says Namaste to the spiritual father. Essence for Dharma, first point. Don't attach your heart to this old, impure, dirty world that causes sorrow. By holding the Father's hand, you can go across. Second point. In order to become a bead of the rosary, maintain a lot of courage and make effort. Become a swan who selects pearls of knowledge. Don't perform any sinful acts. Blessing. May you become free from all attractions and experience a constant and stable stage by having constant awareness of the Father and service. Once again, may you become free from all attractions and experience a constant and stable stage by having constant awareness of the Father and services. Description. A servant always remembers his service and his masters. In the same way, world servants, the true server, children cannot remember anything except the Father and service. It is only by doing this that you can experience being in a constant and stable stage. All test seems tasteless apart from the sweetness of the one Father. By tasting the sweetness of the one Father, you cannot be attracted to anything else. Making intense effort for a constant and stable stage will free you from all attractions. This is the elevated destination. Slogan. In order to pass any paper of delicate situation, make your nature powerful. Once again, in order to pass any paper of delicate situations, make your nature powerful. Okay? Om Shanti.